see that the Lord is good.
Fear the Lord, you His holy ones. They lack nothing, those who fear Him. The rich suffer want and go hungry, but those who seek the Lord lack no blessing.
Taste and see that the Lord is good.
Come, children, and hear me, that I may teach you the fear of the Lord. Who is that desires life and longs to see prosperous days?
Taste and see that the Lord is good.
Guard your tongue from evil and your lips from speaking deceit. Turn aside from evil and do good. Seek after peace and pursue it.
Taste and see